Welcome. Now another integration x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. Before going to evaluate this integration, I want to share, if you are new to my channel M Karmakar, click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications to get all latest videos. Look at the integration or integrand. Here it is a rational function. Numerator is x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Obviously this is a polynomial. Denominator is x square minus 2x plus 5. Obviously this is also a polynomial. But we will compare the degree of the polynomials. Degree of the numerator of numerator obviously 4, and degree of denominator obviously that is equal to 2. So degree of the numerator greater than the degree of denominator. How to find the integration in this case? The rule is first divide the numerator by denominator or express numerator in the polynomial of denominator. So first dividing numerator by denominator by using division method. So writing the numerator x4 plus x square plus 1 dividing by denominator x square minus 2x plus 5. To eliminate x4 we must multiply divisor by x square. Whenever we multiply divisor by x square, what will be? X to the power 4 minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube plus 5x square. Now as per rule, what is done? Now first write x cube term. 2x cube plus x square minus 5x square minus 4x square plus 1. Get cancel 2x cube, I should write plus 2x. When we multiply this by 2x, that is equal to 2x cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 4x square plus 5 into 2x plus 10x. Now subtract. Change the signs, minus plus minus 2x cube to x cube will get cancelled. This will also get cancelled, remaining minus 10x plus 1. Degree of the polynomial of minus 10x plus 1 less than the degree of the divisor. So now integration x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 by five dx, that is equal to, as it is can be written as dividend equal to quotient divisor plus remainder. or dividend by divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder. Quotient plus remainder plus divisor. Here dividend is x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 and divisor is x square minus 2x plus 5. Quotient is x square plus 2x. Remainder is minus 10x plus 1. So we replace this by this quotient plus remainder by divisor. So quotient is equal to x square plus 2x, writing within bracket, plus remainder minus 10x plus 1 by divisor x square minus 2x plus 5 whole bracket dx. Now taking into many parts, that means this part and another this part. So x square dx plus integration 2x dx plus minus 10x plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. Integrating this x square x cube by 3 according to formula plus 2 x square by 2. Formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus let this is I1 which is to be determined plus c as already we have integrated, or c is integrating constant, or c is equal to integrating constant. Now we will find I1 is equal to, what is I1? That is equal to integration minus 10x plus 1 x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. See, this is of the form integration x plus by a x square plus bx plus c dx. How it is done? Express numerator dx plus q, that is equal to ddx of denominator, some constant here is multiplied to maintain the equality, ddx of ax square plus bx plus c plus another constant b. So following this rule, let assume let minus 10x plus 1 is equal to some constant a, and ddx of this, directly doing this, ddx of x square 2x minus 2 differentiation of 5 0 plus another constant b. This is an identity, so equating the coefficient of x square and constant terms, or equating the coefficient of x square and x to the power 0. So this is done to find the value of a and b. So equating the coefficient of x and x to the power 0 means that is constant terms. Both way can be said. So from left hand side coefficient of x minus 10, from right hand side coefficient of x whenever it will be multiplied 2a. From here we can find a is equal to minus 5. Similarly, coefficient of x to the power 0, x to the power 0 is constant term. From left hand side 1, from right hand side minus 2a plus b. Now put the value of b, put the value of a. What is b is equal to 1 plus 2. A means minus 5, or b is equal to minus 10 plus 1, that is minus 9. Now RE1 can be reduced to is I1. I1 can be reduced to, therefore I1 is equal to, after putting the values of a and b, a means minus 5, 2x minus 2 plus b means minus 9 by x plus 5. Now break into two parts, that is equal to minus 5 writing here, integration 2x minus 2 by x square minus 2x plus 5, 9 integration dx by minus 2 plus 5. For first part, let x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to dz. Differentiate with respect to this, differentiate with respect to x, 2x minus 2, and right hand side dz by dx. From here 2x minus 2 dx equal to dz. For second part, write x square minus 2x plus 5, that is equal to x minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 1 whole square plus square, minus 1 plus 5 is equal to square. Now substitute these, that is equal to, means I1, that is equal to, what will be minus 5 integration dz by z, denominator assume z, minus 9. Now it can be written as dx by x 1 square plus square. This is 2 and this is z. This is z. Now minus 5 log of mod z as per formula integration, minus what will be this formula is integration dx by x equal to log x. This is the formula, and integration dx by integration x by x plus minus capital A that of square plus a square, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x plus minus capital A by a. So here is minus 9 integration, not integrating 1 by a means 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by a means plus q1, where 1 is equal to another integrand percent. Therefore, now original integration x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 y square minus 2x plus 5 dx, that is equal to minus 5. Now before that, what is x cube by 3, 2 cancel, x cube by 3 plus x square x cube by 3 plus x square minus 5 log for z. Z means the value of z, x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 9 by 2 tan inverse x 1 by 2 plus c plus c1, that is equal to 1/3 cube plus x square minus 5 log of square minus x plus 5 minus 9 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus capital C, where capital C is equal to plus C1. This is the end of the question. Thank you. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends. Thank you.